Welcome back to Spinning the Past. Today I decided I'm going to sort some of my boxes, and I don't know whether you can see this. It says Flax and Bast. At one point I had my unspun fibers sorted in boxes like this. You can get them at Walmart. This one has silk in it. I have a lot of different boxes, but with the move, the boxes got jumbled, the boxes got disorganized. So I'm going to go through today and kind of show you some things about flax, because that's going to be part of my in-depth study, and silk, because I need to spin some silk for my in-depth study of Master Hand Spinner. So here is my flax and bast box. So flax comes from the flax plant, and when you spin it, the term changes to linen. So if it's in the ground, it's flax. If it's spun, then it's linen. I wanted to show you the different kind of prep. So this one, if you can see here, this is 18 inches, so doubled over, that's 36 inches. This is long line flax. This is called a braid. And it often comes kind of twisted again upon itself. So if you are wanting to spin really fine, super fine, thin, smooth linen, this is what you'll be looking for when you're in the market for it. This, on the other hand, this is what they sell at, they call it flax as well, but this is flax roving. So they've taken this beautiful long flax here, 36 inches, and they chopped it up. Or maybe some of it was short already, and they decided, let's just all make it the same length, and we'll make it short, and the hand spinners won't know any difference. It's flax is flax. So as you can see, I'm just kind of pulling out how long the fibers are. So the fibers are about that long, which is about 3 inches long. That's a lot different than this 36-inch long line. So this is the flax you would use if you were, first of all, this will make a rougher, so you won't get a nice smooth. Remember, the more joins you have, the less smooth the yarn is. So this, because the fibers are so long, you only need to join them maybe every 30 inches. That would make a really nice smooth thread. But this one, basically I have to join every 3 inches. So all those little joins, when they overlap, because they overlap a little bit as you spin it, that's going to kind of make a join, a chunky bit there. And flax is notorious for being a bit textured, shall we say. That's a euphemism, textured, as it is. So if you're wanting to make a textured, very, I guess, what we call homespun style of thread, this would be good. This is also cut this length for blending. So if you want to blend it with something, and you blend it with something up the similar length. So this would not be good for blending with cotton. It's because the cotton is short. Cotton would be short, and this is long. And what happens, and I've tried this enough to find out, and history has also said that the shorter ones get spun first, the shorter fibers, which is the cotton, and then the longer ones would get spun. So you'd have cotton, and then it would change to linen, and then to cotton, to linen. So it wouldn't blend properly. So what they do is they make a preparation, and I'll see if I have it in here. So this is a company that's now defunct, but they had taken flax. This is flax, and they decided, well, let's cut it about the same length as cotton. This we can blend. This we can blend in the cotton because cotton prices were going up at that time. We can blend this. This will lighten the cotton and make it nicer for summer. This could also be a winter crop for places like in the South, like they had a little test farm in North Carolina. So I don't know what happened to the business, but they sent me this, and then next time I checked, they were not there anymore. So like length is what you kind of want to blend it with. So I was going through the box here. These are the flaxes here. Here's Rami. If you don't know Rami is also a plant-based fiber, and you would spin it similar to flax. Let me check on the staple length. So you should always check the staple length before you spin it to know how you should spin it. So let's just open this. Let's just dig in here. Okay. Nice and silky. So the way I do staple length is I keep pulling it apart until it doesn't come apart. So I'm pulling on both ends and it's not coming apart. So that's a little bit longer than the flax roving. Very nice also to spin with. This is Rami. Other things I had in here were occasionally you can find already dyed flax. That's in my stash. That's one of those. Okay, so this is what I find when you move. You find things like this. Tencel. Now, tencel is technically a plant fiber, and that's why it's in here. But I have a different place that I want to put that. This is bamboo. Bamboo is a bast fiber. Okay, so here's some Rami in here. So, and I had another box that had lots and lots. So this is beautiful. I think this is either flax or hemp. There's a nice company that I had. But this I found in there. I don't know if you can see it. So it says fake cashmere. Fake cashmere is an extruded, a man-made fiber, so it doesn't go in my flax and bast box. So that gets sorted out there. So this is the joy of when you move and somehow all of the boxes just dump all their contents out and they mix and match. I think I'm going to end it here. I'll talk about silk in a different video, and I have a little kitty disaster about to happen. So I'm going to end it here. So I will see you next time on Spinning the Past.